Day 20. I'm starting pistol squat training because I want to be able to do pistol squats. As a workout, I do 7 squats on the right, then 7 on the left. Yep, but only about 1/4 deep. So they're actually just like this. But so difficult for me, I was really surprised. It's also a balance exercise for me, as you can see from my wobbliness. By the way, I'm Marina, 41, and a mom of 5 kids. And then handstand training, completely free for the first time without a wall. I'm just going to do 10 to get the feel. Classic, so 1 leg at a time in the air. How you'll ever end up standing in the air is still a mystery for me, but I'll be okay. I'm optimistic, you know. Follow me to track my progress.